Well, here we are again, Southsea Common, home of the Phoenix canariensis date palms, bathed in glorious evening sunshine. We're going to see how well the fruit is developing on this particular palm. See, there are the fruit. There's a few still on there. If we look further into the palm, you can just make out new embryo fruits and even some new flowers forming. Gives a typically tropical look, even though they're subtropical palms. This is a male palm that has a very symmetrically clipped trunk, so one of the better looking trunks of the palms down here. As you can see, here are the old male flowers. There are some newer ones in there, but it doesn't look like this year's have started yet. Just to give you a sense of the scale, I'm going to walk straight up to the palm, trying to avoid the bedding plants. Just so you can see how huge this plant is.